Jason, you've had firsthand experience with both Matrix Store and the Simple platform. So, what are some of the challenges that, some of our clients are facing, and, in general in the industry with, being able to, we do have this kind of vision of, like Nick and Sergio were saying, what is the cloud, right? The cloud isn't just Azure and AWS and Google, right? That's number one. Number two is, like, where do you keep your data? What are the challenges that people are facing when they're working in an environment where they've got to push their data into the cloud and retrieve it, and how can Simple and Matrix Store kind of help simplify that process?
Well, that's a good question, Harry. I think I was going to chime in on this because one thing that I find that's really, really interesting, or what you should be taking advantage of, and when you're using like a cloud workstation on say, SimpleCloud workstation, if we want to move data, we get to leverage the data center's internet speed, right? Like when we want to move files, we're moving it from a place that's got a really good backbone. Like from my house, let's say I'm having a crappy connection, which I am right now. I'm only getting 25 or 30 megs to connect to a workstation, but that's enough power to connect to a workstation. And once I'm on that workstation and I'm running smooth, I need to move data somewhere else. I'm actually utilizing the data center's pipe to move my data somewhere else. And so if we're moving it into the Matrix Store, into an object storage, then it's available for anybody else that I'm going to bring on so they can go grab that. But it's also managed by that, and it's easy to find that data